In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monzo Flex 2025 step-by-step guide. Monzo Flex lets you spread the cost of eligible purchases over time straight from your Monzo app, subject to status and limits. I'll walk you through what to check, how to apply, how to use it at checkout, and how to manage repayments confidently. First, check if you're eligible. Open the Monzo app and look for the Flex section. Eligibility depends on factors like your credit profile, affordability, and account history. Monzo may run credit checks as part of assessing your application, so take a moment to review how that could affect your credit file. If you don't see Flex, make sure your app is updated and your personal details are verified in settings. Next, apply for Monzo Flex. In the app, review the key information: your proposed credit limit, the representative APR, and the terms of your agreement. Read the summary box so you understand fees, interest, and your responsibilities. Confirm your details, agree to the terms, and complete the application. If approved, you'll see your limit and get access to a Flex card you can use for eligible transactions. Turn on notifications and pick a payment date that aligns with when you get paid to keep cash flow smooth. Then choose how to pay with Flex. You'll typically see options like paying in a short interest-free period or spreading payments over longer terms that may include interest. Compare the total cost, not just the monthly amount, and make sure the plan fits your budget. You can usually pay off early at any time to reduce interest where applicable. Now, use Flex at checkout. For online purchases, select your Flex card and complete payment as you normally would. For in-store shopping, add the Flex card to your mobile wallet and tap to pay where it's accepted. Check that your purchase doesn't exceed your available Flex limit. If you pay with your regular Monzo card by mistake, you may be able to convert an eligible transaction to Flex within the app shortly after the purchase. After that, manage your payments. Head to the Flex area to see what you owe, upcoming due dates, and how much interest you'll pay if applicable. Set up automatic payments, adjust your payment method, or make extra payments to finish sooner. Keep an eye on your remaining limit and any upcoming large purchases so you're not caught off guard. Finally, stay on track. Enable reminders, review your budget each month, and only flex what you can comfortably repay. If your circumstances change, contact support early to explore your options. Used thoughtfully, Monzo Flex can help smooth big purchases while keeping your finances under control.